Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS Sweep with Guide Curves lesson. With a new part open, add a new sketch in the front plane, add a vertical line, and dimension as shown. Exit the sketch and rename it Path. Add a new sketch in the front plane. Using a click, move, click method, draw this sketch as indicated. Draw the last line and convert it to construction geometry. Add a second vertical construction line and make the arc tangent to it as indicated. Hold down the Control key, select the endpoints indicated and make them horizontal. Select the Dimension tool and add the dimensions indicated. Make the arcs equal. Exit the sketch and rename it Guide Curve 1. Change to a right view. Add a new sketch in the right plane. Draw the sketch as indicated. Add the geometric relations and dimensions indicated. Exit the sketch and rename it Guide Curve 2. Change to an isometric view. Add a new sketch in the top plane and draw an ellipse. Add pierce geometric relations between the endpoints and guide curves. Exit the sketch and rename it Profile. Click on Sweep Boss. Select the Profile and Path sketches as indicated. Expand the Guide Curves section and select Guide Curve 1 and Guide Curve 2. Click OK to finish. Add a new sketch in the top face and click on Convert Entities. Select the Extruded Boss command, enter the depth and click OK to finish. Select the Fillet command, set the type to Asymmetric, enter the values and select the bottom edge. Change the direction if needed and click OK to finish. Select the Shell command, set the thickness value, select the top face and click OK to finish. Add an auxiliary plane. Select the top face, set the distance and direction and click OK to finish. Add a new sketch in the new plane. Select the outside edge and click on Convert Entities. From the Features tab, select Curves, Helix and Spiral. Set the helix options shown. And click OK to finish. Hide the auxiliary planes. Change to a right view and add a new sketch in the right plane. Click on the Line command and select Midpoint Line. Draw the sketch as indicated. Add a horizontal relation between the midpoint and the arc's center. Select the Dimension tool, hold down the Shift key and dimension to the arc. Add the remaining dimensions. Add a Pierce relation between the midpoint and the helix. And exit the sketch. Select the Sweep command. Select the sketch and the helix and click OK to finish. Select the helix curve and hide it. Select the flat face at the end of the thread and add a new sketch. With the face selected, click on Convert Entities. Click on Revolve Boss. Select the vertical line. Set the rotation angle and click OK to finish. Repeat the same revolve boss in the other end of the thread. Add a new fillet. Set the radius. Select a thread's edge and expand the selection from the selection toolbar. Click OK to finish. Save the part as sweep bottle and close the file.